Excuse me. There you go. There you go. Good job. There you go.
I wanted to break 40.
Good job,
I
son.
got to the point on that one.
You got to the point on that one. You kept it in you. You kept it close to your face, Caleb. That was the key. So, Caleb, interview. How do you feel about getting your first gold medal here?
First?
Did you get first last year, too?
No, I think I got second last year.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Good job.
Do I get my medal today or
yeah, get it today.